In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll have a smooth connection that keeps your projects and your CRM in sync, so your team has the right context at the right time. First, open ClickUp and make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want the integration to live. It helps to have admin permissions for both tools, or at least the ability to install apps, so you don't get blocked by access requests mid-setup. Once you're in, head to the Apps section in ClickUp. This is ClickUp's directory of integrations and add-ons. If it's your first time here, give it a second to load. And consider disabling any pop-up blockers for this page. Authorization windows often open in a new tab or a modal, and blockers can hide them. Inside the Apps directory, find HubSpot and select it. This is the official connector that lets ClickUp talk to your HubSpot CRM. You'll see a brief description of what it can do, plus links to settings and documentation if you want deeper detail later. Next, choose Manage. This opens the integration settings area in ClickUp. Think of it as the control room where you can review the connection status and get ready to link your HubSpot account. Now click Add to HubSpot. This will trigger a secure authorization prompt from HubSpot. If you're managing multiple HubSpot accounts or portals, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right one for your organization. You may also be asked to approve specific permissions. These allow ClickUp to sync tasks and surface relevant CRM data. When prompted, sign in to your HubSpot account. If you're already logged in, you'll go straight to the approval screen. After you confirm, you'll be returned to ClickUp with the connection established. From here, start applying your data. This is where you decide how information should flow between the two systems. Align ClickUp tasks with the right HubSpot records such as contacts, companies, or deals so your team sees activity where it matters. Choose whether the sync is one-way or two-way based on your process and confirm which spaces, folders, or lists in ClickUp should be included. If field mapping is available, match titles, descriptions, due dates, owners, and statuses to their HubSpot counterparts for clean, predictable updates. A good tip is to begin with a small set of records, verify that changes appear as expected, then expand. That's it, your integration is live. If you don't see HubSpot immediately, refresh ClickUp, check permissions, and ensure pop-ups aren't blocked. With everything connected, your projects and pipeline can finally move in lockstep.